If you don't know some settings on YouTube, learn them now, otherwise you'll have problems later. The last one is the most important. First, open your YouTube channel in desktop mode, then click on the last video you uploaded. You'll be able to see the full description there. Scroll down a bit and you'll find two options. You need to check whether these options are ticked or not. If they are not ticked, your viewers will not receive your video, and as a result, your views will not increase. Therefore, it is very important to have these two options ticked. Many experts say that it is best to upload videos using Chrome or YouTube Studio. In your case, using YouTube Studio would be the best option for uploading videos. So first, you need to open your channel on a desktop. Then you will see a settings option in the column. Click on it. After that, you will see the verify option. Click on it. You might need to go to the last option. Then you can see the first free option. As soon as you create your YouTube channel, it will be automatically verified. After that, you will have to verify the second option yourself. By doing this, you will get two features. You can upload videos longer than 15 minutes, and you can do live streaming. Lastly, the third option is the most important one, which will allow you to monetize your YouTube channel. You will need to verify it with your phone number. Both of these options are very important.